My name is David Jaffe. Welcome to the Wealth and Health Podcast, where you'll learn valuable skills and positive habits that will improve your life. This podcast originally aired as a video on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/beststockstrategy. The Wealth and Health Podcast is brought to you by beststockstrategy.com. Day trading versus option trading. So I know that a lot of day traders, they think that they're going to make a ton of money. There are a lot of fake gurus on YouTube that claim that they've turned like $500 into $10 million. And actually, some of them have, because they front run their followers. So they will buy a stock that's low float, and then they will tell their followers to buy it. And then those fake gurus will actually sell that stock that they previously bought at a lower price to their followers who have pumped up that stock. That's why these fake guru day traders will basically only trade low float stocks that they can easily manipulate with a little bit of volume. And there have been numerous research studies out there that indicate that 97% to 99.8% of day traders lose money. And that would be okay, I guess, if the 0.2% that don't lose money end up earning a lot of money. But they don't. The research studies indicate that the 0.2% that don't lose money actually earn less than minimum wage. And additionally, the research studies also indicate that there is no learning component to day trading, and that the more time that you spend day trading, the more money you're going to lose. And none of the technical analysis or anything of that nature is actually going to help you improve your performance. And the funny thing about the research studies is they also indicate that the results that they claim are likely better than the real world outcome, because they didn't take into account losing trades that were held overnight. So yeah, we know that day traders are going to lose money, primarily because the math just simply doesn't work out. If you have a 50-50 edge, then you're going to lose money. Like, for example, if you start out with $100 and then you lose 10%, you're at $90. But in order to get back to even, you actually have to make 11%, which means that when you're day trading, a 50-50 win rate, if you're winning the same amount that you're losing, is going to result in you basically blowing up your account over time. Now, regarding options trading, you can actually day trade, quote unquote, options and be very profitable. And this is called zero DTE. And the reason why you can actually be profitable by quote unquote day trading options, even though I wouldn't necessarily call it day trading, is that you have a very high probability of profit and you're profiting from theta decay. And as long as you're willing to accept the gamma risk of that zero DTE position, then you can have a very high win rate, and you can also be very profitable by trading zero DTE. Regarding options trading, how you structure your transaction can mean that you have a win rate over 50%, to as high as like 98, 99%. But remember, the higher the win rate, the less money you're actually going to collect. So for example, if you're selling hurricane insurance to people who live in Boston or New York, then the people who buy hurricane insurance are not going to pay you nearly as much money as the people who live in Miami. So as a result, if you're an insurance company, then you can collect money from people in the Northeast who are willing to buy hurricane insurance, but maybe they're only going to pay you 2% of what residents of Miami are going to pay you. As a result, when you structure the trades when options trading, yes, it's going to give you an edge, but you really have to make sure that you neutralize that tail risk. And by neutralizing that tail risk, that will enable you to profit in all market environments. David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. You can visit Best Stock Strategy, enter in your email address, and receive over $400 of valuable free training. Visit beststockstrategy.com and submit your email address to receive valuable free training. Please give this podcast a positive rating and review. If you have any questions, visit beststockstrategy.com and send me a message.